Okay, I'm not going to go into detail explaining the different functions that you can obtain from the pamphlet. It's been set up now. The fan's not running. So let's heat up the little sensor and see what happens once we start heating the sensor. I'm just going to move it a little bit out of the way there. And I'm just going to use a ordinary lighter for that purpose. Let's just get it going, and then I'm going to keep it on the fan. And there the fan starts turning. And then it will cool down. It'll take some time to cool down, and the fan will stop again. That's more than enough for the repeater use. So once it's cooled down, then the fan stops. I'm going to try and cool it down with my hand here a little bit, and then you can see when the fan stops there. There it goes slower. You can see it goes slower, and there it stops. Okay, that's then the speed controller, fan speed controller for a DMR repeater that I'm busy with.